Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey, what's up, how you doing? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this look. It is a glam look for Valentine's Day. Do you have any plans for Valentine's Day? If you do, let me know down below in the comment section. Anyway, if you are interested in how I created this look, keep on watching. I am starting off first with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I am going to apply this as a base all over my eyelid, and then I am going to go ahead and blend it. For this look, I am using my Morphe 3502 palette, and the first color which I am going to apply is going to act as a transition color, and it's called Heat. Then going back into the palette, I am going to pick up Fire with the same blending brush and apply it on the top of that first transition color. In the same palette, I am taking Brave and I'm going to apply that just below the transition color. Then going back in with Heat and extending the transition a little bit more. I am then taking some concealer and using it to define my eyelid so that my eyelid color pops a little bit more. The eyelid color I am using is this green color from my Kiko Milano Color Sphere. It is in the shade 37 and I am applying this with a wet brush. I decided to apply that color all over my lid instead, so I applied the concealer more and then went back in with the eyeshadow. I also decided that I wanted to darken my crease a little bit more, so I went in with Wiz from my 3502 palette and carved my crease just a little bit and blended it. I lined my eyes and applied my lashes. My lashes are some cheapy I got from AliExpress. I'll leave the link to them in the description box in case you like them. Thank you, Simi of Beauty and Brushes, for the plug. I like applying mascara after I put my lashes on because my lashes curl upwards. So applying the mascara after I have applied my eyelashes allows me to blend it in better. Onto the rest of my face, I'm going to apply my moisturizer. I've been using this Bioderma Atoderm cream that I got from Abuja from a company called Derma RX Signature. And guys, I have only been using this for about a week and I can already see a difference in my skin. Go check them out on Instagram. For primer, I am using the original Eye Adherence Silicone Primer, and this was also a good buy. I am taking this Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid and applying it all over my face for some extra glow. I didn't realize how much I applied. Oops. For foundation, I am using two different foundations. The first one is my Maybelline Fit Me in the color 365, and then my L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade Cocoa. For concealer, I am taking my L'Oreal True Match Concealer in the shade 8N. I am applying my LA Girl Concealer in Fawn above it and blending that in with my Nuben Beauty Blender. I wanted my under eye concealer to pop more, so I went in with some more LA Girl concealer. I can't remember the last time I baked, but I decided to give it a go. And to do this, I am using my banana powder with my beauty blender. While I am baking, I am going to go ahead and contour with my Sleek Contour Kit in dark. For blush, I am using Flushed by Sleek. I'm going to go ahead and dust off the excess powder using my MAC Mineralized Powder in Dark Deepest. I am setting my entire face with my Mary Kay powder in Bronze 3. For highlight, I'm using this dual quad from Chico and applying it to my forehead, cheeks, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bone. For lips, I am taking Danger and Mood from East Cosmetics by Madara. I'm applying Mood to line my lips and Danger to fill it in. Go ahead and set your entire face using your favorite setting spray, and I am using Makeup Revolution Oil Control Fixing Spray. And there you have it, guys. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial as much as I enjoyed filming it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to check out my channel and join the family. And I will speak to you guys in my next video. Hugs and kisses, guys. Bye.